Happy morning. I'm Ms. Chitra. I'll do a short intro about me. I hold qualifications of MA, MSc, BA, MBA, MS, PGDCA, PGD, PP, ED, and double certification. And I have completed diploma in teaching from Harvard University, diploma in business administration from Arizona University, Ireland, and I am also trained psychotherapist and graphologist. I have 30 years of experience in teaching, academic administration, student mentoring, and education leadership in CBSE institutions, having served as campus director, principal, and academic coordinator. Apart from teaching subjects, I strongly believe in helping students understand concepts clearly, develop confidence, and use practical applications rather than memorizing answers. Today, I will demonstrate how even a finance topic can be learned in a very simple and interesting manner. So let me open the whiteboard for you and let me teach you CMA demo class topic, ratio analysis and profitability ratios. Can you hold on? Just a minute. I'll open the whiteboard. Let me do the alignments tools properly. Yeah. Okay. So today's date is today's topic is this is for CMA. I also conduct for ACCA of all streams and at all levels. But today I am giving you a demo for CMA. So the topic is ratio analysis, I said, profitability, ratios. So in this, what we are going to learn, we will be coming to know in detail and clearly about gross profit ratio and net profit ratio and operating profit ratio. One minute, let me write clearly. Yeah, operating profit ratio. So why I have taken this topic? Because this is common in CMA Foundation and CMA Intermediate and MBA also. It includes formulas, includes calculations, includes interpretation, includes business decision making, and easy to understand from basic level, and makes you to feel that finance professionally topic, even if it is difficult, how to make easy manner. So now first we are going to see profitability ratios. Profitability ratios. So let me ask you a question. Suppose you start a tea shop. At the end of the month you earn 50,000 rupees. Will you immediately know whether your business is performing well? Yes, it is. Yes. Not exactly. A business is not judged merely by profit. We need to know how efficiently profit is generated. That is where ratio analysis comes into the picture. In profitability, now we are going to see the first topic of ratio analysis. Ratio analysis. So, in ratio analysis, what is the definition? Let me write the definition and I will also explain you in Tamil if you don't understand the English. The definition is ratio analysis means comparing one financial figure I don't know, as a sudden going very low financial figure with another financial figure to understand business performance. That is, ஒரு கம்பெனி நிதி நிலைமை பினான்ஸ் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸ் ஒப்பிட்டு பார்க்கிற முறையே ரேஷியோ அனாலிசிஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். இஃப் ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்கிறேன், if two students score 90 marks and 45 marks respectively, who performed better? Yes, you will say 90 marks and that's correct. Similarly, businesses are compared using ratios. So, now we are going to see types of profitability ratios. Now, we are going to see, types of profitability ratios. And in this, we are going to learn gross profit ratio, and number 2, net profit ratio, and number 3, operating profit ratio. So now, in this, first we are going to see gross profit ratio. And its meaning. What do we mean by gross profit ratio? Gross profit earned before operating expenses. Before operating expenses. And so this formula is gross profit ratio equal to gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Gross profit ratio equals gross profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. அதாவது செக்டர்ல இருந்து எவ்வளவு ஆரம்ப லாபம் கிடைச்சது அப்படின்றது பார்த்தோம்னா gross profit ratio. Now we will see example one sum. Example number 1 sum. Gross profit equal to rupees 50,000 and net sales equal to rupees 2 lakhs. Now, find out gross profit ratio. Profit ratio. Now, solution using this formula. Using this formula, it will be 50,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100. So, it will be so in two table 1 and this is 25. So now it is 25%. That is the answer. Now for every 100 sales, the company earns 25 rupees as gross profit. I'll write the interpretation here. Interpretation. Sorry, 1 minute. For every 100 rupees sales, the company owns 25 rupees as gross profit. Now, let's see example 2. So, gross profit equal to rupees 1,20,000 and net sales equal to rupees 6 lakhs. And now, what will be the ratio? Ratio equal to what? So, the same method we are going to do. Solution is 1,20,000 divided by 6 lakhs into 100. So, again, we are going to cancel zeros. And now, in 6 table, it comes 1 and this comes 2 and add this 0 here. So, it will be 20%. So, now, we are going to see net profit ratio. Before that, I would like to say a higher gross profit ratio generally indicates better pricing power and cost control. Now, we are going to see net profit ratio. Net profit ratio. And meaning of this. Profit remaining after all expenses. So, now, for this formula, net profit ratio equal to net profit divided by net sales into 100. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಳ செலவுகளையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் கிடைக்கிறது உண்மையான லாபம், net profit. So for this, we are going to do example number 1. Net profit equal to rupees 30,000 and sales equal to rupees 2 lakhs. What will be the ratio? So 3,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100, and as we did before, let's cancel the zeros and into table 2 goes 1 time and 30 comes 15 times, so it's 15%. And interpretation for this is interpretation for every 100 rupees of sales, rupees 50 remains as final profit. Now let us see one more sum as for this. Example 2. Net profit equal to rupees 50,000 and sales equal to rupees 4 lakhs. So 50,000 divided by 4 lakhs into 100. So as usual, we cancel the zeros and 4 comes 1 time and this comes 1, borrowing 1 here 10, so it will be 12. So keeping a point here, 8 remaining 2, so keeping a point here, we can add a 0 with the remaining 2, so it will become 20. So 420 is in 4 table 20 comes 5 times. So it is 12.5%. So you know what is the interpretation. Now tell me which is better, company A 10%, company B 20%. So naturally you will take company B as 20%, excellent, because company B retains profit, more profit from every sale. So now we'll go to the third one, the type operating profit ratio. So what is its meaning? It means measures efficiency of core business operations. And formula for this. Operating profit ratio, operating profit ratio equal to operating profit divided by net sales into 100. So now let's see two sums, examples for this. Example 1, the operating profit equal to rupees 60,000 and sales equal to rupees 3 lakhs. What will be the ratio? So as per formula, we will be doing 60,000 divided by 3 lakhs into 100. So we will be cancelling the zeros. So in 3 table, it comes 1 and 6 comes 2 and add 1 0. So the ratio will be 20%. And now let us see also one more example as per this. So operating profit equal to rupees 80,000 and sales will be rupees 4 lakhs and ratio equal to what? We have to find out the ratio. So like before, after the formula, 80,000 divided by 4 lakhs into 100. So we will be cancelling the zeros and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 table, 4 comes 1 time and 8 comes 2 times and add is 0. So it will be 20,000. Now, in this important exam text, students usually lose marks not because they don't know the formula. They lose marks because they write wrongly. They forget multiplied by 100. Next they use sales instead of net sales. And next they don't interpret the answer. So always remember formula plus calculation plus interpretation will give full marks. So finance is not about numbers. Finance is a language of business. when you learn ratios, you are actually learning how managers, investors, bankers, and CEOs judge a business. Every successful CMA professional thinks beyond calculation. They asked, actually they asked to me also, what does this number tell me about their business? So that is the secret of becoming a successful management accountant. So that is the thing. To become CMA expertise that involves calculations, formulas, interpretation, and that will give a strong impression of your result. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. See you in my regular classes. This is the transition given for you. Go through this on every classes video on this whiteboard workouts. I will send it to your personal WhatsApp number when you get in touch. So need not worry, all the best for your successful examination. Just for high marks. Okay, thank you once again. Let me share. Now I'll keep in my inbox about this whiteboard, and later on when you get in touch with me, I will send it to you. And here, I will give my contact details. Sorry. Let me write clearly. I am an educator. I am psychotherapist. I am graphologist. I am first grade expert. And now I'll give my contact numbers. Double 96250 337. This includes WhatsApp, and next thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye. Have a great day.